I got this delivery today and I'm excited about it, but I don't know why. It's the first time that it happened and the package is open. So I'm gonna open it now. And I don't know what the Amazon guy did, because I wanted to do this because it makes sense to me and I don't want to spend too much because I want to experiment on this. Apparently I'm just going to be turning over this. So you get this and then you get the over the door hanger. So let's see how this goes. So this is how it is. I don't know. That makes sense. And then if you're not using it, you just do that. Hang over the door and it's gonna be hang on the laundry room. And for the price, I'm okay with it because winter season you wear a lot of sweater that needs to be dried, air dry and flat, and this is actually good. My first try of this product was this one, and I think it really is effective because it's aired out bottom and up, so it dries up really nicely. And if I'm not using it, I can just put it on the side, and it's a little hard to put it up because I'm not that tall, but I think it's a yes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.